In this video, we are going to discuss radio advertising and a few of the best practices for building a campaign. And while there is no one-size-fits-all for radio, the following few minutes should really help you craft a sales-driving radio campaign. So let's start with the positives. Almost everybody in the United States has access to local radio. This makes it one of the easiest ways for you to reach millions of ears and tell your story. Now, because it's free and really accessible, radio advertising is excellent at boosting your brand awareness and reaching a wide audience. Now, even with the digital and social media revolution that's taken place, radio has remained powerful thanks to its ease of access, thanks to its personalities, and pretty loyal listeners. Now, when compared with its traditional media counterparts, you are going to find that radio ads are generally cheaper to buy, having a lower cost per thousand. Now, what's cost per thousand mean and why is it important? Well, this is the cost you are going to have to pay to reach 1,000 people that fit your targeted demographic. Now, as an ad guy, I have always preferred the cost per thousand metric when comparing different ad mediums. This is the purest, most apples-to-apples comparison that you will get when you are deciding between different mediums, which campaign to run, and which one is going to be the most cost-efficient. And right now, local radio has one of the lowest cost per thousand rate structures out there. Now, one area that radio really shines is its ability to quickly connect with potential audience on an emotional level. Radio uses what we call theater of the mind. You are only saying words in your ads, but the listener, they can actually see what's going on in their mind. Now, by incorporating meaningful sound effects, music tracks, or just by good old storytelling, you can create images in that listener's mind that'll help drive recall and retention. Now, one area that you're going to have to pay close attention to is frequency. This is the number of times the average person is going to actually hear your radio ad over the course of a week. Now, with radio, repetition is key. One ad isn't going to do much good for you. The more somebody hears your ad, the more familiar they become with you and your brand. And this does not have to cost you a lot of money. A small, well-targeted, well-placed campaign will deliver traffic, leads, and selling opportunities provided that you stay consistent. Now, when it comes to choosing what stations you're actually going to use, make sure you keep your ads targeted towards your most prized audience. This is why researching your audience and the station you hope to use is so important. Don't just buy ads on a station because you like it. Do your research. Make sure your potential customers are listening to that station too.